Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 23. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7, 4 here, so 3, 7. 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 3 here, so 2, 5, 5 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 2, 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 covering this box and a 4 covering this box, so our 4 must be here. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.